Let us look at another method of calculating the square root of a number, and this method is known as division method. So let us calculate the square root of 2025. Of course it is 45, but let's see how we can get it as 45. So the first step in this method is to write the number as it is. So 2025. Now we have to group the digit of this number. Starting from the right hand side, start making groups of 2. So these are two numbers and these are two numbers. Let us make this more exciting. This is going to be a game of boxes. So I have this thing ready here. On the left hand side there is one box. On the top you will get the square root of your number. Now we take into account the first group. Here there should be a number, and in these two pink boxes there should be the same number. When squared, it should be closest to this number, as we have to subtract this number from this 20. So what number when squared is closest to 20? 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 is way too less than 20. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we cannot take 5 because its square is greater than 20. We can take 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So let us subtract it. 20 minus 16 is 4. Now the second step is you have to add these two numbers. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now 8 is fixed. There is another box now and another box here. Now you have to have the same number in these boxes. But before we do that, let us bring this 25 down. Now you have to have such a number. Let us write it here, 8 dash times another number which comes in this two blank spaces, such that it is closest to 425. So let us try 81. 81 times 1 is 81. So 81 is way too less than 425. So we can try 85 times 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 8s are 40. Plus 2 is 42. So we have the exact number 425. 85 times 5 is 425. Now 425 minus 425 is 0. Once you get a 0 here, you can say that this number is the square root of 2025. So under root of 2025 is equal to 45. Let us take another example. This time the number is very big. So let us write the number 1752976. Now we have to group the digits of this number starting from the right hand side, and the groups should be 2 digits at a time. So 7629751 can remain as it is. Okay, now let us draw our boxes. We have a box here and a box here. So let us take the first group. So 1 times 1 is 1. So here 1 will come. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The next pair comes down, 7 5. Now 1 should be added with this 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This 2 gets fixed. Now we have to take another blank here. So we have another box. So we have these blue boxes. So 2 dash times that number which comes in this blank should be near to 75. So 25 times 5 is very bigger than 75. Let's try 22 times 2, which is 44, which is not going to work because 44 is very less than 75. So let's try 23 times 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 69 is closer to 75. So here we'll write 3. Now keep in mind that whenever you write numbers in these boxes, the number should be same. There should not be different numbers. So 23 times 3 is 69. 75 minus 69, you get 6. And this group comes down, 29. Now you have to add this number to this number. So 23 plus 3 is 26. Now 26 is fixed. You ought to have another box here. So we have 2 6 and a blank here. So 2 6 some number multiplied by the same number should be closest to 629. Let us try 263 times 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. 789 is bigger